Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how to fake location on Snapchat and the Snap Map. If you're a regular Snapchat user, then you know that Snapchat filters change based on your location and that the Snap Map also displays your current location to all your friends. Luckily, it is very easy to fake or spoof your location to someplace cool like Miami or Rome. Here is how. If you're using an Android phone, the procedure is very simple since Android allows you to set a fake location. So head on over to the Play Store and download an app called Fake GPS Location. Once the app is downloaded, you will need to enable developer settings on your Android phone in order to use the app. So open Settings on your phone, scroll down and tap on About Phone or About Device. Now tap on Software Information and then tap on the build number option 7 times. And you will see a notification saying Developer Mode has been turned on. Now go back to the main settings menu and tap on the new developer options setting. Scroll down to the debugging section and tap on select mock location app. Now on the next screen, select the fake GPS location app that you just downloaded. And now to change your location on Snapchat, open the fake GPS location app and select any location you want. The app provides a lot of functionality so you can pinpoint an exact location in any city you choose. For example, I could pinpoint my location to the Golden Gate Bridge. You can even search for a specific location by tapping on the search bar. Once you've chosen a location, tap on the green icon to set that as your location. And now if you open Snapchat and the Snap Map, you will see that your location has indeed changed. Your Bitmoji will now be at the exact location you selected in the fake GPS app. You will now notice that your Snapchat filters have also changed to the new location. As you can see, I'm getting Snapchat filters for San Francisco and the Golden Gate Bridge because my location has been changed to there. If you're using an iPhone, unfortunately faking your GPS location is much harder. You can make use of tools like iAnyGo. However, these tools only allow 1 or 2 location changes in their free version and require you to upgrade to your premium version if you want to do more location changes. If you still want to learn how to fake your Snapchat location on iOS devices, you can watch my tutorial, which will be located on the right side of your screen. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, please hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos like this. Also, like and share this video.